Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we will be solving set matrix 0 problem on LeetCode. So the problem states that we have given an m into n integer matrix. If an element is 0, we have to set its entire row and column to 0. So as you can see in the example, we have the middle element as 0. So what we have done, we have set its row and column as 0. Same goes for the second example, which is the first element is 0 and the third element is 0. So what we have done, the row encountering that 0 have been converted to 0 and the column encountering is also 0. Okay, so let me explain the uh, approach that I have used. So as you can so as the example is given, let me just try to copy that example here. So the example states that this is 0 1 2 0. Let me just put some random numbers 3 4 5 6 7 2 0 1 and 3. Okay, so now if I represent this in the index form, what it will look like, let me just show you. 0 comma 0 0 comma 1, where first is row comma column. Okay, so 0 comma 0 0 comma 1 0 comma 2 0 comma 3. Okay, in second row we will have of this will be start from 0 and 1 comma 0 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 1 3. Okay, now you can notice one thing, that whatever elements that we want to convert to 0 have the same row number, right, in the row. So here this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and this is also 0. And no other element have row as 0, because this is the only row with 0th row, right? And same goes for column. So if you want to convert the column to 0, you can check whatever column index is 0, you can convert that index to 0, right? Same goes for this. So if you see 3 here, we can convert this column which contains 3. So third, we will convert this 3 column to 0, right? So what we will do, we will try to have a loop. We will try to have two for loops. The first for loop will just check and store the indexes of these zeros. Okay, so it will store this and this. Okay, so it will store it in an array like this: 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 3. Okay, so this will be an array. And in second for loop, what we will do, we will just try to check. We will iterate through this whole matrix, and we will try to check the index. First we will try to get this indexes, and we will try to match if the row which is 0, which zeroth row, if there is zeroth row, if it is matching the zeroth row or this column, then we will convert those positions to 0. Same goes for this. If the row is 0, or the column is 3, then we will convert that to 0 as well. So how it will be looking like is somewhat like this: 0 0 0 0 0 4 5 2 1. Yeah, that's it. So that is the approach that I have used. You can comment below whatever approach that you know, right? Let me explain the code as well. So you can see that I have this m and n for defining the matrix. This is the m is the row and n is the column. Now you can see that we have matched array. So match array will contain these things. It will contain this. Okay, and as you can see, I have a for loop and I have pushed that. After that we will convert it to 0 for so here I have maintained the count, so that for running the while loop. So until the count is lesser than dot length, it will run continuously. So this is the for loop. So we will match the first component of match array, whatever count. So it is set to 0, so it will just pick this first one. Okay, and after that it will increase and then pick the second one, and it will convert that as well.